teacher.
I see your talents have gone beyond the mere physical level. Your skills are now at the point of spiritual insight.
You still think of yourself Chinese, or do you ever think of yourself as North American?
You know what I want to think of myself? As a human being. Because, I mean, I don't want to sound like, as Confucius say, but under the sky, under the heaven, man, there is but one family. It just so happened, man, that people are different.
For centuries now, the code of the Shaolin Temple has been preserved. Remember, the honor of our brotherhood has been held true. Tell me now, the Shaolin Commandment number 13.
A martial artist has to take responsibility for himself and to face the consequences of his own doing.